Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that's too formal. Let's try it again. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Elektra Belle from 10 APAA, and today I'm going to explain and demonstrate some applications of physics that we experience on our daily life. Okay, so before I demonstrate and explain some applications of physics, I would like to introduce a little bit about physics. Okay, as we all know, science is broken into three kinds of branches, which are biology, chemistry, and physics. Physics is a branch of science that is concerned or is dealt with the nature and properties of matter and energy. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. I will start off with the application that are related with heat. But because today it's a coincidence that there is no sun, but let's just pretend that there is sun. Everyone, we experience heat in our daily lives due to the fact that our body itself contains heat, and the sun also radiates heat to warm us up on the planet. So basically, without heat, probably all living things will be dead right now.
Okay, so let's just pretend that there's sun. So everyone, in the middle of this pandemic, it is important to dry yourself at a time of 9 to 10 from the sun, due to the fact that the sun produces a high temperature of heat that will kill bacteria or viruses that is in our body. Now I'm going to give a few examples of application of heat that we use on our daily lives. When we are ironing our clothes, when we are hair drying, on water heating, on microwaving a food or a drink, and when cooking a food.
For the second one is about the application that is related with gravity. Gravity is the force that attracts a body toward the center of the earth or toward any other physical body having mass. The sun keeps the earth in orbit around it, keeping us at a comfortable distance to enjoy the sun's light and warmth. It holds down the atmosphere and the air we need to breathe.
If there is no gravitation in this earth, then all living and non-living things will be floating in the air right now. Another example is when you are playing basketball, after you shoot the ball, it stays and falls into the ground. It's an act of gravitation since the ball is attracted to the ground.
Okay, so for the third one is the application that is related to force. A force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object.
Without force, people will not be able to open and close stuff, or lift up our arms, or legs, or anything for that matter. We almost do everything with force, like closing and opening the door, brushing our hair, well, mostly for girls, dribbling a basket, as well as shooting a basket, and etc.
Moving on to the fourth one, we have applications that is related to energy. In physics, energy is the quantitative property that must be transferred onto an object in order to perform work on or to heat an object or the object. Here's an interesting fact. In the law of conservation of energy, it states that energy is not created nor destroyed. Amazing, isn't it?
Now, energy is very important nowadays. We use different energy sources to generate the electricity we need for our homes, schools, factories, and etc. Energy is basically used everywhere on everything. For example, when we are studying, we need energy for our brain. When we are exercising, we need energy too. When we are walking, even when we are sleeping, our body rests and recovers energy so that in the morning we can do our activities.
And last but not least is the application which are related to sound. Sound is defined as vibrations that travel through the air or other medium as an audible mechanical wave. Sound is important as it has uses that goes beyond communication.
Sound can tell us about a place, a character, even about time. Another example of sound is like music, dog barkings, cleaning or vacuuming things, and etc.
So those are the applications of physics that I personally experienced, and I also believe that you all are experiencing it every day. There are actually so many more applications of physics that we actually experience on our daily lives, but I only had a chance to explain and demonstrate a few. Know and remember that physics is very important and very useful in our lives, as well as the other branches. Without physics, there will be no living thing that could survive in this earth. That is why physics is very important and very useful in our lives. So that is it from my not so long vlog. I hope this video or this vlog finds you interesting and entertaining, and I hope you can learn new things or things from here. So don't forget to click a thumbs up and subscribe on the button below. Goodbye and thank you.